So how come abberior STED microscopes deliver the highest resolution? We have designed our microscopes as STED microscopes right from the beginning. We did not want to build on top of something existing where we would have to make compromises for other functionality. We have come up with the STED microscopes right from the beginning. We have chosen every element and have designed every component with the only goal in mind that you should get the best resolution and the brightest and crispest images of your samples. For example, we have come up with the easy 3D beam shaping unit that allows you to adjust the STED beam between 2D and 3D in a single STED beam, so there's nothing that can drift apart. It also allows us to correct for aberrations. In the end, the easy 3D unit permits you to get the best images with the highest resolution and the best contrast available in a STED microscope.